Today we are talking about this tarot journal by the Witchy Cauldron. This was sent to me to show it to you, and as I am a professional tarot reader and Reiki master, I have a few things to say about this. So first of all, you do have this very beautiful spiral bound book with these beautiful gold colored corners in the same style, which makes it really high-end looking for this type of journal, I feel. This is, so first of all, also spiral bound. How nice is that? Because if I grab any type of journal, I'm always gravitating towards the spiral bound ones. We do have a table of contents so that later you will find your pages better for each of the cards. I will get into that in a moment. And then you do have some explanations here on how to use this journal. This is not just here's your journal and then leave you to your own devices. This gives you some tips on how to use it, which is beautiful. And again, I think this is a very, very nice book for tarot beginners. But even, you know, when you're further progressed on your journey with the tarot cards, this is super nice. Okay, so then we get into the pages where you use the stickers. Let me show you those first. In the back, you have these really nice tarot stickers. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a full deck. Let me see. Okay, I just counted. So you have all 78 tarot cards in here 3 times. So basically 3 tarot decks full of stickers, so that when you pull your cards on your deck, there's no tarot deck included. You will use your own tarot deck to your liking, and then pull your cards. So you can either put your card sticker that you pulled, let's say you're pulling a card of the day. Okay, what do I need to know right now? How will my day be? Then you pull your tarot card from your own deck, and then you can put the sticker right here. Or if, let's say, you're out of these stickers, because again, these are 3 full decks, but maybe eventually you just keep, you know, with your tarot messages, sometimes we get the same message over and over again. So if you're out of the full card, you can also just write the card that you pulled down here. Here's a space for the date, here which moon phase you're in, and then you can take your notes depending on your interpretation, or also explain afterwards what happened that day, what it correlated to, especially when you're learning. I have found that such a valuable practice that when you pull a card in the morning, of course, you know, when you're starting to read, this could mean all kinds of things, but then you're like, aha, this it now makes sense. Like, this is how you learn, right? You make the connection. Oh, this makes sense now, because later on when you read, it doesn't mean the exact same thing happens, but the vibe, the energy of that card is much more clear to you, as if you didn't ever do this practice of pulling your daily card. Also, again, it says here daily question or intention. There is a little exercise in here where they have actually prepared 30 questions or themes for you if you want to go by those. Of course, you don't have to, but I think it's very nice. If I just find this page, it's very nice to have some prompts to work with as you go. Again, you don't have to use this, but it is very helpful. Okay, and then here is what I find especially valuable as a tarot reader, or for beginning tarot readers, because I did something similar back in the day, but with just a normal notebook. But this is so much nicer. So what I used to do is I went, and does it explain? Yes. Okay. So it does actually explain each card, but I feel when you're learning, you need more than that. You need, first of all, you need to, or you will want to, apply what you learned prior. Okay, there are other, by the way, there are other I didn't even see that. Okay, so by the way, there are other spreads here for your questions and observations. Wow, this book gets better and better. This journal gets better and better every time I flip a page. Super nice. Okay, so I was saying, as you go, as you learn, as you maybe have other tarot books, maybe you take a class, maybe you watch a video and learn something new about a card, you can take your own notes here, and that is very valuable on your journey of learning the tarot. So that's why I think this is great. This would make a nice gift for any new tarot reader or tarot enthusiast. Okay, let's see if there's anything I forgot that I didn't see. There's more. There are even tips in the back for accurate readings, how to pull a yes or no card. Sweet. This is nice. Different tarot spreads and so much space for notes. Wow. Really nice. So worth it. This tarot journal is tarot reader approved, and thanks again for the Witchy Cauldron to send this over. I will put this to good use because we never cease to learn when it comes to tarot and life.